Good day everyone and welcome. In this one I will show you how to find large attachments in Gmail using search operators. So in order to make this work, you will need to use your search bar actually, and don't worry about which tab you're located on, doesn't matter. You can just start like this. So in here, what do we have? So we need to use a specific filter that will be this has attachment. There you go. As you can see, I have these past ones that I've inputted. So you just type in has, 2 dots, attachment, and then larger, then 2 dots again, and choose the actual size in megabytes. So you can use 10, 50, 100. You can select, for example, 5 megabytes, 5M, press enter. And when you do that, you will see in this list all of the mails, all of the received messages that have files that have size more than 5 megabytes. And you can choose them and do whatever you want with them after. Enjoy.